DuPage Bus is celebrating their 40th anniversary, and they're doing a call to artists for proposals to submit a one-off bench. So what we ended up doing was sharing this information with students that were taking my Drawing 1 class and 3D Foundations class, in hope that they'd be able to get some level of exposure to public art.
I've been a student here for a couple of years, and mostly art classes that I really enjoy. My first inspiration was to do a young woman in a library, and I was going to have books all around. And then as I was talking to my wife about this project, she said, well, why don't you connect it with the bus and just say, book a ride on the bus, which I thought was a great idea.
Why not take a shot? Like, the worst thing that happened is I'll get rejected. And then I ended up getting accepted, and they sent me the bench, and we got it here. I knew I wanted to include someone of like my skin tone, especially because I don't see a lot of like Indian representation. And I just kind of wanted like a generally pretty piece. And so I kind of wanted it to be like a girl as the centerpiece, pushing forward like some like stars that kind of represent like everyone else at COD. I've done art for a long time, but I've never done it on like such a big like piece or like for such a big project. But yeah, it did give me that boost of confidence that I needed.
It's a wonderful opportunity for them just as a professional to understand how to make work, get it out into the real world, start to understand the business aspect of art and how they can actually continue to do this once they graduate.